I'm Brandon Dempsey. This is my 2016 Charger Hellcat. Lake maker intake, resonator delete, has Jason hacked my exhaust up, of course. First thing I do when I get a vehicle. A Baza carbon splitter and diffuser, ivory tri-coat, kind of a rare color, kind of a rare interior option. Got the peanut butter guts, BC forged wheels, kind of the centerpiece. Not a lot done to it. Sounds good, runs good.
Like
so when we got the truck, it came in here stock height. It was good lord, nothing worked on it. The headlights didn't work, didn't have a steering column in it, stuff was leaking everywhere. So we got it in here, and the first thing we did was give a bit of an altitude adjustment, lowered it down. We changed out the I-beams in the front, spring dropped it, went to a different spindle setup kit with the rotors, added power steering to it. Added power brakes, boosted brakes. Added the Holley DFA system with the Hyperspark kit. Custom bracket to hold that. Got a complete rewire from Star City 12 volt. In the rear end, we notched the frame and flipped the axle. Custom exhaust. And we relocated the fuel tank from behind the seat and put it in the center of the bed in the back with a fill cap in the middle of the bed back there.
Got an old white vet here. I think it's a base model. Got a big Wayne gang in the back. Got a few little carbon fibre pieces here. 5.3. We got wheels straight off Lil Wayne's vet, bling bling. This right here, the car actually flies. This big wing. If you look up here, they put this window in the hood so you can drive the car with the hood open. King Kong thing put right there. Got the green filter. I guess the green's better than the white or the orange. Not sure. Might be custom. We got a beautiful Cyclone that Jason and Seth built custom headers. Literally started out with a flange and pieces of pipe and all stainless TIG. The owner was going with a larger turbo, so this truck started out around 750 wheel. He hopes for 1,000 wheel now with his larger turbo setup. But they did a really nice job, headers, downpipe, and everything. He ended up wrapping it so you can't really see the nice TIG welds, but it's all stainless TIG underneath there.
This one we got a super clean third-gen Camaro. He's got just about every single UMI suspension component that you could have on a third gen. On this one, we did these ones in the past, but on this car, my experience, we redid the floors. Anything that needed to be replaced back here was replaced with like factory and or better parts. Patrick cleaned all the undercoating off of it, repainted it, so I mean this thing's spotless underneath. They ended up custom making the headers so that the owner wanted them to dump out right here, so custom made the ends of the headers, sent them off to Jet Hot, got them coated, and then Quick Performance 9-inch too. Pretty sweet setup there.
with wheel woods on the back. The car already had wheel woods on the front from previous part of the build. This is probably the cleanest underside of a third gen I've ever seen.